Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all to today's session of Class 12th Informatic Practices, Unit 3, Computer Network, and we are going to cover the topics web browsers, plugins, commonly used web browsers, add-ons, and cookies in respect of computer network syllabus. So I am Vishal Kaushik, PGT Computer Science from KV Tagore Garden. I will be explaining you all these topics. So let's continue with the session. So our first topic which we have to cover is web browser. As you all have previously heard about this term, a web browser is a www, that is World Wide Web client, which navigates through the www and displays web pages. The examples of some web browsers are Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator, etc. A web browser, or simply browser, is an application that is used to access and view websites. So in simple terms, in order to understand in easy way, a web browser is simply a software installed in your operating system. The operating system may be installed in your mobile and may have been installed in your computer. So whichever machine, whichever system you use, there is a residing operating system installed. In this operating system, you can install a supporting software, that is your web browser, if you want to surf the internet. So this is a simple application which will help you to surf the internet in order to open different websites and to access different web resources and to access different web pages. So if you want to open different kind of things available over the internet, or we can say available over the World Wide Web, in order to do that, you require to own a web browser, or you can say you require a web browser to be priorly installed in your system. So let's see what are the commonly used web browsers available. So as you can see, the commonly used web browsers are Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, Opera, Microsoft Edge, etc. So the different web browser symbols are also shown in this slide in order to understand and identify that which one is the symbol of which web browser. So you can easily identify by the symbols of the web browser. All these are the different softwares provided by different companies or different group of people in order to access the web resources available over the internet. Whatever kind of resource, a video available over the internet, or if you want to use your Facebook website, YouTube you want to open, in whatever you want to open over the internet, you require a web browser software installed in your computer system or in your mobile. So most of these web browsers are available not only for the computers, that is your PC, but also for the mobile devices in form of respective Android OS package or maybe iOS package, whichever type of mobile you are using. So these were the commonly used web browsers. I hope you have understood about the web browser. So web browser is a simple software through which a user can create a request, HTTP request, to access a particular resource available over the internet. The web server, as you have already studied in previous session, the web server will hear that request, or we can say the web server will receive the request and respond to that request in accordance. If the web server finds out, or we can say web server successfully finds the required resource, the web server will be returning the resource in HTTP packet form to the web browser, and then the web browser will be showing us the respected resource. If the web server is unable to find the resource, then the web browser will simply show us error 404, that is resource not found error. So it was simple to understand. I hope the topic is clear to everybody. So let's move to the next topic, that is plugins. So plugin as the name itself suggests, it is simply a software component which adds a specific feature to an existing computer program. For example, at the right side of the diagram, you can see that the symbol of plugin, and there are some plugins installed in the Chrome browser. For example, here it is shown as Flash plugin, Microsoft Office plugin. So these are different plugins. The Flash plugin adds the facility to the web browser to watch Flash videos in our web browser. So this facility was not previously available in the web browser. We have to install the Flash player as a plugin, and then only we can watch videos on the web browser. For example, Adobe Flash player is needed in Internet Explorer in order to watch YouTube or any other kind of videos in your Internet Explorer. So plugins are nothing but simple software components which are adding a specific feature to an existing computer program. So what the next point says, whenever a program supports plugins, it enables customization. So plugins are commonly used in internet browsers, but also can be utilized in numerous other types of applications. So whichever program is supporting the plugin, that means that program is enabled with customization. We can customize the functionality of the program. So whatever plugin we add, that functionality will be readily available in the installed program. So here specifically we are studying this topic for the web browser. So in web browser, plugin will be adding some extra functionality. Example we have seen, Adobe Flash Player is an example. So if you want to see installed plugins in your Chrome browser, then how you will see? You will simply type in the address bar as shown in this diagram. You can easily see in the address bar you have to type Chrome / plugins, and you will be able to see the installed plugins in your Chrome browser. So it was easy to understand. So you might have been understood the functionality of a plugin, how it enhances programs capability. So let's move to the next topic. So our next topic is add-ons. So add-on, what is an add-on? Add-on is either a hardware unit which can be added to a computer to increase the capability, or a program unit that enhances primary program. So the definition is similar to a plugin. So add-on is similar to a plugin, but the difference is that an add-on can be a hardware unit also, but a plugin was compulsory a software unit. So an add-on is either a hardware unit which can be added to a computer to increase the capability, or it can be a program also which enhances primary program. So some manufacturers and software developers use the term add-on for that, and the other developers they use the term plugin for that. So whichever term is used, that is the respective add-on. So for an example, Adobe Flash is also a add-on, also comes as an add-on. So Flash was, in previous slide you people saw that Flash was available as a plugin. This Flash was provided by the Shockwave company. So Shockwave Flash was available as a plugin, and the Adobe Flash is available as an add-on in your Chrome browser. So Adobe Flash allowed the users to watch videos or play games within an internet browser. It is an excellent example of a software add-on. So previously the Flash example was not of Adobe, it was of Shockwave Flash, and here the example is of Adobe Flash. So very easy to understand, simple. It may be a hardware unit or a software unit, that we can say program unit, which enhances the primary programs. I hope all of you have understood what is an add-on, and in the diagram also you can see that some add-ons are shown which are installed in the browser, and you can see what are the different add-ons. Opening files, file opening is allowed through this add-on. Sidebars, you can share the page, you can subscribe to some RSS feed, you can do text encoding, you can provide email links, you can directly go to the apps, you can forget, or that means delete some history, you can sync data from your browser to your cloud, you can see different tab groups, you can go to the Hello Messenger, you can use the pocket feature, and similarly some other add-ons are also available which are developer tools. So these all were add-ons, and these add-ons example we saw or for the Firefox browser. So this was a diagram of Firefox browser. So let's move to our last topic of this session, that is cookies. So what do you understand by a cookie? Cookies are small files which are stored on a user's computer and contains information like which web pages visited in the past, logging the details, passwords, etc. So they are designed to hold a modest amount of data specific to a particular client and website, and that can be accessed by the web server or also by the client computer. So let's see in the diagram available in the right side a query. What is a query? You can see from the diagram, if you type some www.website.com/webpage.htm, so this is your query. This query is going from the browser to the server. So the browser requests the page's main body text, which in addition to the visible text contains the URL addresses of additional page assets to be retrieved. So this request reaches to the remote web server. The remote web server locates and returns the requested page body text as a reply to the web browser, and the web browser will be able to show this text to you on your computer screen. So here cookies are the files which the web browser stores on your computer in order to make you remember your passwords. A few people might have used Facebook or any other website which allows you to log in into their website. You might have seen there comes an option of remember me. If you click that option, then whenever you open your web browser and you log into facebook.com, as soon as you type facebook.com and press enter, your account automatically gets login and you can access your account. You can see your news feed, you can chat using your Facebook account, you can post. So whatever you want to do, you can do. So this facility is available to you by the feature of cookies. So cookies are very important. So they are very small files, but they just keep your browser, your computer identified to the web server. So the web server can directly identify if the cookie file is available in your computer, then the web server will identify that yes, these cookie files are available in this computer. So this is an trusted computer. This is a trusted computer. So the web server can open, will allow you to open the websites and can directly log in to your account. So these files are also used if you want your account to be logged in some other computer, then you can simply copy these cookie files by finding in your computer. If you copy these cookie files to some other computer of yours, then also in that computer your website or your account will be automatically logged in. So in this way it is very useful. This small set of file, they are allowing you to access your account without any hassles. They are allowing you to use the remember facility of a website. So this was all about cookies. So here we conclude our today's session, and this was the last session of this unit, computer network. I hope all the topics are covered to you people, and if there are any queries you can write down in the comments below and I will be answering you the queries. Other than that, we are also sharing worksheets and different form quizzes along with this video. With all the videos you will be able to see the worksheets and quizzes. So thank you. This is Vishal Kaushik, PGTCS from Kendriya Vidyalaya Tagore Garden. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.